Hi people and welcome back to yet another spectacular episode on Maxi channel. You name it, we got it. All the craziest moments from the world of bikers are put together on this channel and we feature only the finest. Make yourselves comfortable, press play and enjoy this one. When Java was going a bit under the speed limit and when the biker overtook him, the Java pulled over towards him. From the looks of it, nothing serious, right? Biker flipped him off because of his maneuver, but boy oh boy is this story about to have a plot twist. Stay tuned.
Sorry, mate?
What's your problem? Got a problem, have you? With me?
No, I don't.
Why give me a finger? Why come around me being stupid? Well, you got a problem. Sort it out now.
Well, I'm about to be run over by on the car.
I don't give a sort it out now.
Look, you're able to leave me alone, mate.
Well, why give me the finger? That's my son! You're talking about?
This really looks like a lot of trouble on sight, and it doesn't spell well for the biker at all.
Okay.
Drive past me, because you've given me.
No, I didn't mean that.
I'll tell them road.
Great.
Yeah, great.
From what I managed to find out, this biker had some history with these two from back then, but he didn't want to go into detail. This footage was enough evidence to be considered a full-on assault, but the shocking thing is that the police didn't do much about it. The judge dismissed the whole footage due to bikers overtaken in a residential area and the fact that the biker didn't have a working speedometer. Unbelievable. This lady, I swear, she's just so gorgeous.
What's your problem? I've already asked you.
He doesn't know. I don't like.
Darren got all worked up because there are children in this park. Even though the biker told him he was driving slow, he wasn't having it. He even took a picture of his license plates.
Oui, je sais très bien. Non mais je sais, mais je vais doucement, je cherche juste des potes.
Bah tes potes tu les attends. Tu te rends compte qu'il y a des gamins là? Depuis tout à l'heure tu fais le con, on t'entend là-bas?
Non pas du tout, je viens juste d'arriver maintenant.
Oui bien sûr, on t'a vu partir là-bas. T'as rien à foutre ici.
Non non, je viens juste d'arriver maintenant.
T'as rien à faire ici.
Non mais je vais partir, hein, pas de soucis.
Fais demi-tour, t'as pas à descendre ici.
Y a pas de soucis. Pas de soucis. Vous allez pas faire grand chose avec ma plaque. Hein.
Biker got almost taken out by crazy lady who undertook him dangerously, and the most shocking part is about to come when he pulled up next to her at the next traffic lights. Check it out.
What the hell you doing, man? I'm not gonna touch your car. I'm not gonna touch your car. Drive a little bit more safely, please. The 30-mile-an-hour road. What? You're driving dangerously near me. Really? Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
This biker ran into a really aggressive driver who nearly knocked him off his bike as he passed him. He even flipped the biker off as he moved on and proceeded to dangerously speed past other vehicles in traffic as well. Why, dude?
Got a problem? Got you.
Biker got almost sent to his local hospital by this crazy lady who pulled out right in front of him without even looking to make sure if it's safe first. Unbelievable. Check out what happened when the biker pulled up next to her.
Hey! Hey! Pull over. What the hell? You were that far off killing me? Use your eyes. You're crazy.
It was a 30-mile-per-hour area zone, but apparently not for everyone. This crazy driver overtook the biker, and at the next traffic lights, biker made sure to pull up to her and speak his mind.
Was that you that just overtook us like an idiot?
Yeah, because I was late. I had a appointment.
I don't care. It's a 30-mile-an-hour zone.
For you, should we leave
We're not weaving. It's all camera. It's a 30 zone. I've got a good mind to report you. It was disgusting.
Sorry.
Come on, lady. At this point, it's more than obvious that you're supposed to let the biker in, but instead of doing that, you're approaching him, and this is way too close for comfort.
You gotta go! You cunt! Why don't you eat some more?
Professor! Meu.
Biker leaned a bit too much at the curve, and he almost fell off his bike. It was a miracle that he managed to remain his balance there.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
This pickup truck driver just doesn't care about anyone or anything in traffic besides himself.
après.
Man, every single time.
Always check your mirrors before you start reversing in the middle of the road. There might be a biker behind you, you never know. There's no way in hell that this driver didn't notice the biker. At one point, they were next to each other. Oh my god.
Two. Look at it. 222 the miles. What are you doing? Idiot. Watch.
Touch me now, you touch me now.
When you're too impatient to wait for another vehicle to make a turn, so what do? You put everyone's life in danger.
Whoa!
And with this clip, we reached the end of yet another epic episode on Maxi channel. I hope you guys took notes and learned something from these mistakes. After all, why not learn on mistakes of others if you can? Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you like this type of content. Thank you for your support, and we'll be seeing each other in the upcoming episode soon.